You just saved 150 pesos. 15%. So, you can easily grind seeds, nuts, whole spices, dry herbs, and of course, coffee beans. Coffee beans! Tignan nyo! Perfect! You should get this na talaga. This is a big getter. 999 to 849? Guys, come on, grind them coffee beans, bro. Grind it na! Woo! What am okay. This capacity is also 70 grams. That's a lot na talaga. Ooh, this is so amazing and perfect. It's so small, you can bring it with you. When you go to this resort or this house, you know, just bring it with you. So you can drink your best friend easily. Basic. You don't need to, magpapakahirap ka pang dumukdok ng coffee beans kung meron na ito. 999 to 849. Crazy. You just saved 150 pesos. And this is 15% off. So 849, that's a getter. This is only 10 left na lang na ititira sa coffee grinder. 10, 10 na lang. If you get 1, 9 na lang. So if someone gets more, 8 na lang, 7, 6, 5, 1 na lang. Get it na. Get mo na. Get nyo na. 10 left for this 849 because of Last Life exclusive price. Pag maubusan na siya, you will buy it on the other side, 999? No way, bro, no way. 849. Tignan nyo, so small, so cute. This is amazing talaga. This is a getter. Do you want to like use your time in life to grind coffee beans manually? Just get this, bro. You pindot mo lang to and it's moving, it's grinding. So, I think this is a getter talaga because not coffee beans lang. You can also grind your nuts for like baking purposes or like whatever purposes. Whole spices, dry herbs, whatever talaga. You can grind talaga because this is amazing. So small but powerful. Woo! Let's do this, bro. 849 pesos. And it's 10 items, 10 coffee grinders left. Gusto nyo bang maubusan? No! So get it now. Right now talaga, right now. Imagine saving 150 pesos. 150 is big na, ha? Just get it na. And you're gonna save your allowance. 849. Let me repeat. 849. This is for your coffee, dalgona, whatever you want to do with your life. Amazing work, amazing. And it's so cute, aesthetic, white with chrome plating ring. Woo! Crazy. And meron lang saksakan. And you can just keep it like that. Go here, go there. Such a cute thing. You can bring it anywhere. Ako sa'yo, get it now. 10 left. Or maybe 5 na lang right now. So, hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up, guys. This is gonna save your life. This is gonna save your life. It's gonna grind your coffee beans, your seeds, your nuts, your whole spices. Let's go, guys!
Alright, hello sa ating mga kalasada for today. At syempre, everyday egg is okay. Everyday egg is also no problem. And sa ating mga kasama dyan at mga nanonood, sino nga bang maayaw ng itlog sa kanilang breakfast, lunch, or maybe dinner? And of course, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga tito at tita, I have a boodle find for you. And this is the egg boiler from Hayfilet, wherein aminin talaga natin na itong mga ganitong product ang nagpapasaya sa ating mga nag-a-adulting. Lalong-lalo kapag gusto nating mapadali ang everyday life natin. Imagine, ang dami nating kailangan atupagin, and this product can also help us to lighten our mood and lalong-lalo na yung mga gusto mapadali yung daily basis natin. And imagine, this product is from 1,199. Now you can get this product for 1,019 pesos. Imagine, meron na kayong 15%, a total of 180 ba yung gusto ninyo? Soft, medium, or hard-boiled egg ang gusto ninyo? So, meron pa itong additional feature na merong automatic off, wherein kapag hindi nyo na ginagamit, it will automatically off. And syempre, you can hear the word ding kapag tapos nyo na or time's up na yung pag-set ninyo ng timer sa ating egg boiler. At syempre, hindi lang naman egg boiled ang pwede nating gamit dito. Pwede rin tayo makapagluto ng scrambled or steamed egg. We can also have our siomai here. And it's very perfect sa ating mga kalasada na very nag-workout, nagka-calorie deficit, yung mga ayaw ng fried, and syempre, yung mga gusto lang mas madali ang pagpe-prepare nila ng kanilang food. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Kailangan natin bumili ng ganito. At syempre, alam naman natin na yung mga kaganitong mga sale, kagaya ng last live sale natin, eh talaga namang nakakuha tayo ng mga matataas na discounts. At syempre, mas napapadali ang ating pagkuha ng mga items kagaya nito. So again, guys, this is the egg boiler, good for 6 capacity. From 1,199 pesos, now you can get this to 1,019 pesos. It's already 15% discounted. Where it is already 180 pesos off. So imagine, etong mga ganitong last live lang tayo nakakuha ng ganitong type of discounts, and dapat sinusulit natin yung mga ganitong type of product, especially sa ating mga mabubudol na mga tito at tita na talaga namang alam natin yung mga appliances ang nagpapasaya ng ating mood, ang talagang nagpapasaya ng ating life, nagpapagaan. And kahit pagano kasimple yan, kung makukuha naman natin siya on discounted prices, talaga namang na-happy ang heart natin. Lalo kung meron tayong mga nakikita mga bagong appliances sa ating mga bahay. And of course, gayong mga ganitong sale ay dapat hindi natin pinapalampas dahil like I said, this egg boiler na may 6 eggs capacity ay pwedeng makapagluto ng hard-boiled egg, even steamed egg, or even siomai. Yung mga pwede nyong i-steam can be done using this appliance. So from 1,199 pesos, now you can get this too. 1,019 pesos. It's already 15% discounted, or a total of 180 pesos in savings. So what are you waiting for? Pwede itong gamitin sa any type of steam. Meron itong automatic off na talaga namang safety ang ating purpose din while we are selling this. At the same time, this is also lid and holder are dishwasher free. So talaga namang napapagaan nito yung life natin kesa naman we prepare so much just because we want to boil 1 or 2 eggs. So imagine guys, this is a big help especially sa ating mga tito at tita na talaga namang gustong-gusto ng mga mapadali ang kanilang daily task at kanilang daily work. And ito ay very portable. Pwede nyong dalhin kahit saan, anytime, anywhere, kahit pa anong trip ninyo, from breakfast, lunch, or dinner, pwede kayo makakuha or makapagluto ng hard-boiled egg, steamed egg, or even other types of steam food like siomai. Pwede nyo siyang gawin dito. So, again, this is from Hey-Filet Egg Boiler 6 capacity from 1,199 because of last live sale. This is already now. You can get this for 1,019 pesos. That's already 180 pesos off or a 15% discounted price. So, again, ano pang pipiliin nyo? Okay. Anong pipiliin ng ating viewers? Is it adulting? Sino ka dyan?
Adulting or sino ka dyan? What's better, bro? Just use it.
Ang napili nating word ay adulting!
Boom, boom, boom! Kasi naman, wala pa.
Okay, viewers! Kayo ang mamimili.
Kayo pala mamimili.
Okay, our product is really good for people who are... Sino ka dyan?
Yeah.
Pag tumatanda, sino ka dyan?
Or
You.
yung adulting, you know? We need this, we need that.
Yeah.
So, you know, we need everything in life that makes our life quicker, faster, better.
At ang napili nating word ay...
Ding,
adulting! Yes! You can use this egg boiler again, good for 6.
And this one coffee grinder or coffee grinder or any grinder, this can grind anything you want to grind, bro. Just get it.
Yes,
10
guys.
left.
So this original price is from 1,199
Hey. So come on guys, I think you should just get it talaga because please get it now. Coffee
Especially
grinder.
itong mga ganito, it's really good for people like me, yung mga tito and tita na very adulting na, no, napapadali yung ating mga daily life struggles kapag meron tayong mga appliances kagaya nito. And imagine you have a grinder, you have an egg boiler, talaga namang napakadali at napakasarap tumanda.
True.
Diba?
Kasi kung mas mapapadali life mo, why not choose the better side, di ba? This one, just grind it.
You just push it, and this one, you just put your eggs, no? Imagine anong egg ba yung gusto nyo, malambot, medium lang, or even hard-boiled egg. You can use this. And kapag mayroon kang itlog, dapat may partner ka rin pang pagising, which is you need a coffee grinder.
Is your day complete without coffee? No way, bro. Pagkagising sa umaga, ito kaagad hanap mo. Coffee. So this is your best friend.
And what's your best breakfast? Of course, it's really, and it will always be
Yes. Egg. Hindi siya
Itlog. It's always the itlog na talaga namang sobrang dali at ang dali i-prepare. What more pa with the help of this egg boiler na talaga naman you just need to place 6 and you're good to go.
Yeah, and for me, coffee beans, di ba dinudukduk pa yung minsan? Pero this one, just put it and press this. You're all good, bro. Just drink it, enjoy life. This will save your life. 10 left, guys.
Yeah.
Hurry up!
Hurry up, guys! And yes, go.
And guys, alam nyo, this is 100% shipping fee. Ay, 100% off sa shipping fee. No minimum spend. And, asan ba yun?
And we have flash deals up to 90% off, and of course, we have last live vouchers with the chance up to 50% off. So
And-
this is from Hey Filet.
Hey, filet! At saka, we also have, Laz Live new shows. Abangan nyo palagi weekly shows on Laz Live.
We have Last Expert, we have Be Fabulous, as seen on Last Live, and also Last Chance to Buy. Again, this is 100% free shipping, no minimum spend, and brand mega offer on Laz Mall up to 70% off.
Yeah! And uulitin, you have to, abangan nyo yung weekly shows on Laz Live. Last Expert, Be Fabulous, as seen on Laz Live, Last Chance to Buy.
And we want to thank all the viewers na nanonood ng live. At dahil dyan, we also have special announcement.
Yeah. Watch
Watch Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 live streaming daily